package for video reviews. I'm wrapped in a lot of plastic, so let's see what we got here. Oh, this is something that I was looking for, and I wish I had it like 2 weeks ago, because this is a hot air shirt dryer. This is something very useful when you're skiing, but it also serves for drying any shoes. So, but for skiing, you put your boots here, they're warm, ready to go. But we're gonna test it here before we go skiing again.
So when I go to a place and I had really bad allergies here, I would find some local raw honey. Now what is the difference in Manuka honey versus regular?
So just came back from a day of all-roading, playing in the mud, and the boots got really dirty. I washed them off a little bit there, and now they're wet. But we're going off-roading again tomorrow, so I'm gonna try this shoe dryer to see how can that help. Let's see what we got. So this is a regular plug-in into the outlet here on the wall. Let's do that. It would be cool if this was battery powered, because we could take it in the car when you go skiing, where I think I'm gonna use it the most, because I go skiing and you need to warm up your boots when you come back. When I'm in Chile, we warm them up near the fireplace, and then you put them on so they're not at a freezing temperature. Here are some instructions for very basic hot air shoe dryer ultra. So again, basically you plug it in, you set up the temperature, the timer, and you put it on. So let's see here. Here are the controls. Where's the power button here? Oh, there you go. It's plugged in now. You can switch the mode: high, medium, ozone. Oh, this is the temperature. And there's a timer here, so you can put 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. Wow, that's a lot. So here it is, it's blowing out. You can hear it. We'll put it here. And we'll come back in a little bit and see how that works. Let's see what else we got here. Maybe just a thank you note. Thank you for your purchase, SOTHING. If you need assistance, you can call the number, visit the website, email them. So here we are, drying our boots, which are really dirty and wet. So we have that dryer running, and I discovered this cool feature. Look at this. You can shape it like the shoe, and now it's more efficient because it's hitting right. And now it's a more efficient process because now it's hitting down here where it's all wet, so it's gonna get them dry much sooner. So there you go, we finished the drying. The design of the product is really good, and yeah, the shoes are dry, so I can go for another day of off-roading. So there you go. I like the product. I'm gonna be using it a lot, and again, the main use for me is gonna be when I go down to Chile again or anywhere to ski, and I can dry my boots, have them warm and ready to go all the time. Thumbs up. So here it is, it's blowing out. You can hear it. We'll put it here. We'll come back in a little bit and see how that works.